Process for cleaning out the system with plain water is very simple. Initially, you just want to empty your chemical. Stick it up in the container. Add some water. About a third full. You want to shake it to get any residue of the chemical out. Put the lid on. Do this 3 times. You put about to the Ryobi sign and empty it. The 4th time you would add plain water, maybe half full. And on this time, you're going to spray it through the system. So you'll put your machine on high, prime the system, spray, and then go through each nozzle for about a minute or so each and spray. So you have plain water cleaning out the entire system. That should be done weekly, depends on how often you use the machine, maybe more frequently. And we're seeing some issues with corrosion inside of here. Because the chemical is just sitting there throughout the week. Very simple process.